As with all of our packages, our 7-night set itineraries are fully all-inclusive and crafted to offer something for every type of traveller. Whether you want a well-rounded week blending sightseeing, shopping, cultural visits and downtime, a themed vacation centred on English gardens, wartime history or festive seasonal events, an active adventure of walking and hiking through the southwest's stunning countryside and coastline, or whether you're visiting England for the first time or the 100th time, we have an option for you. We cater to all activity levels, from those who enjoy an energetic pace to guests who prefer a more relaxed experience. Our itineraries offer choices for families with young children and those who are young at heart, ensuring everyone can enjoy their time comfortably and safely. One of the key features of this whole cottage booking option is flexibility. You can choose your preferred travel dates, making it easy to fit your vacation into your schedule. We also offer flexible pick-up and drop-off. Whether you need a ride from the airport or your hotel, morning, noon or night will accommodate you. If one of our themes matches what you're looking for, this is a great value way to experience the full English cottage vacation without any compromise on comfort or service. On this page, you'll find links to each itinerary option below, along with detailed day-by-day plans to help you decide which one fits you best.